Hey friends, it's Sarah from rufflesandrainboots.com here with a really quick, fun way to learn your laser and test. Now be sure to click the link below and sign up for my free email newsletter list for all my freebies. So we're just going to drag in this Cupid is Stupid. I'll put the link below, or you can go import the image. Either way, you're just going to size it, keeping the size proportion locked so that everything comes out good. Mine's 4.2 inches. All right, so now when you click on the item, you have a menu that pops out over here on the right for processing. I'm using the xTool S1. My settings are 100 power, 5 speed, and 1 pass. Now, if you've never done a test, you can start with the 3 millimeter Basswood. It will set your settings at 115 and 1 pass. That doesn't work for me. Again, everybody's laser is different. So what I've learned over my course of using the xTool S1 is I'm going to use the honeycomb as much as possible, but I am going to elevate the material so that I don't have to work as hard. So I'm going to put some quarters or wood scraps or acrylic scraps underneath the corners where I am not lasering. And if I have any bounce, I'm going to add additional support and pins to make sure the material is as flat and stable as it can be. When I turn it on, I'm going to position the crosshairs over the material and hit auto measure. It does it all for me with this really cool switchblade looking thing that pops out. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with the xTool S1, there is no camera. It has this really cool processing area. You position the crosshairs to the upper leftmost portion of your area and hit the start button on the machine to lock in that dot. You then move it to the bottommost right and hit the start button on the machine to lock in the next. And look at this. That is our processing area. We just drag our item right inside that processing area and we can frame it. When I hit start on the machine, 0 power will just map out where I want. Because that will work for me, I'm going to close my machine, turn on my inline fan, open the blast gate, and process. To process, I hit process down below, and up here in the software first, I hit start. Then I hit start on the machine. Now you can see this is real time. This is sped up. This only takes a couple of minutes. I thought it was a really fun and quick craft that I could use to share not only my design with you, but how fun it is when you get your settings dialed in for your machine. So you can see straight out of the machine. There's no editing here. I'm just showing you right on the edges. I have my auto air assist turned on to 4. That's a little too high for this project because it kind of threw a little bit of char to the left. So I'm going to take care of that. I also look at the back and I'll be taking care of those tiny little flare-ups. This is a personal preference, but before I seal my piece, I actually wipe off some of the char on the easy places so I don't lock all that char in and have the sealant, wear off and it be present again. So what I want to do is always make sure I get my little ribbon hole so that I don't mess up all the ribbon or twine. I have found that placing the item down and holding it while running a couple of, laps of the sanding sponge over it is an easy and quick way to clean this up prior to spraying it. This is the spray sealant I use. You can get it on Amazon or at the craft store. Make sure you get it all in the edges and the ribbon hanger. So I just cut some Bakehurst twine for this project. Not real sure why I'm showing you this portion because I'm pretty sure you know how to do this without my help. But that is it for this quick craft. I really do hope that you liked it. I hope it challenges you to use your xTool S1. Get the link to the SVG below. Be sure to sign up for my email list. It's absolutely free. And leave me a comment, follow for more, and have yourself a wonderful day.